Hey everybody, Rick Tallman again, Window Film Revolution. I just wanted to have some bottom loading fun. A lot of y'all see me use my blade tool. I don't use them on these front doors on these Hyundais. This is a Hyundai Elantra. These are just super tight in here. I'm not gonna pull the panel, I'm not gonna pull the seal. I'm just gonna, what I call freestyle bottom load it. And then we'll also show you how to do this back window too. So this has already been prepped. Razor bladed. Now, one of the things I like to do is I like to slip me a little popsicle stick behind the edges. If that's possible, if it's not, no biggie. All right, so we got that. Now, I always like to roll the window down and then roll it just a little ways back up so it gets back on the track properly. Now, this is a freestyle. We're gonna bottom load this without any tools, any help or anything. Well, no bottom loading tools. All right, so let's go ahead and squeegee. Now, I like to go in here and flush out the edges. And then I like to just come and run down the whole bottom. I know a lot of you saying, man, that's a lot of water. Well, that's true, it is. Alrighty. The trick to doing this with no special bottom loading tool is to keep this perfectly straight as you're installing it. You don't want there to be any type of bubbles or opening at the bottom. You want that to be completely flat as you're putting it in. Alright, so we're just gonna literally just start easing it down into the seal. Just like that. Like I said, keep this completely flat. You don't want anything like this as you're pushing it down. So, now that's when you get to here. Now you notice any of these air pockets, you want to push them out before you slide. Otherwise, there's a good chance, even though we flushed it already, there's a good chance it can, you know, suck crap back up in there. And we don't want that. Now, this thing's being a bit of a booger. Super tight sealing these things. Okay. And you can do a lot of the Volkswagens and Audis like this too. And like I said, the most important part when you don't have a tool is make sure all of that stays straight. So we'll get this one done. And then we'll go to that back one and I'll show you how to do it. I do that one a little bit different because it just has a little bit more room. Now I use a lot of slip, so my stuff does not just lock down on the first squeeze, which is how I like it, but most people don't. Okay. Just a hair. Alrighty, that's just about do this one. Alrighty, now everything's still good there. Now this is not done. We're gonna come back and wipe it down and clean it. Now on this one, I'd like just do that, pull that back just a hair, and then we'll come over here and do that same thing on this. Just get it out just a little bit. Now we're going to do the same thing we did on the front. Now for whatever reason, these back doors are just nowhere near as tight as the fronts. So I don't have to do these exactly like I did that last one. This time I can use my old Cryos blade. Drop that booger in there. Alrighty. And again, this has already been prepped. This is just the final. Again, I want to flush everything out. Now these are a little bit trickier. You got to put a bow in the big corner, or in the big side of the window. So I'll get it up over that tool, and we'll drop that bad boy on down. Now I'm gonna make a bow. You can see right here, I'm cupping this corner, and I'm just gonna make a bow and try to work that booger down. There we go. And just as I'm working it down, I'm pushing the film this way. Watch here. And so the reason you make that bow is so you can still move it. Now your cuts on certain vehicles are gonna have to be, you know, as short as you can possibly get them. This one's not really a big deal, but there's a few of these where your cuts will make a difference as to whether or not you get it in good to go or not. But that's how I like to bottom load. I don't know, I was just bored, felt like doing a bottom loading video. Y'all have a good one. See ya.